Okay, good morning, guys. So let's start the today's lecture. In the previous section, we just done the options, right? Like how we can create the option. We already done, right? Isn't it? So let's go with the next tag. Okay. So next tag we have the TT tag. TT tag means what? It's a represent to the teletype or a monospecite. Sorry, what that? Monospecite text. Okay. However, it's a outdated and the css are should be used for the styling purpose that where people are not using. This is just a one kind of style tt. Okay, that style called as the tailor type. Okay, tail lay type. Okay, now you can see how we can do that. Just I'm going back again to my try.html. Okay, I'm going inside of the body, and what I'm doing, I'm just writing over here tt tag. Okay, now see tt tag is ready and I'm just writing my name. Okay, now you can see how exactly is reflecting. Control S save. Okay, I want to open with the Google Chrome. Okay, now see, I'm going to the Google Chrome. Okay, I'm choosing my one account, which one I'm using, and I want to paste to the in URL section. Now you can see this is exactly the PT type of style. Okay, but right now people are not using, but there is in our syllabus we have. That's why I'm teaching to you. Okay, so TT type. Okay, TT is what? It's a style. Which one we are using? The name of style is what? Tailor type. Okay, after that we have to the title, right? Title means what? If we can see in the head section we have the title tag. Title open and title close. If suppose I'm going inside of the title tag and I'm writing something, this is my web page, isn't it? So what happened? Whatever I'm writing inside of the title tag, you can see over here I wrote it. It will be reflected where inside of your web browser in the top over here. You can see this is the my web page. So whatever you are writing over here, that will be the executing inside of the inside of the where in your tabs. Okay, inside of your tabs. Okay, after that let's go small means what? Your letter will be the small. Okay, now see I'm going over here. Okay, again going back to your VS Code. I'm just removing the TT tag and I'm putting to the small tag. Okay, small tag open, small tag close. Okay, in middle between again I'm writing to the Rohit. Now see is it small? Even if you can let me reduce the size, I'm using the too much size over here. You can see it's a small tag. Ready? So like that. So we can put to the small tag also, but we have the CSS using by we can do everything. But right now we are only understanding the HTML concept. That's why it's my responsibility to show to the all tags. Okay. After that, we have to the meta tags. Okay, isn't it? Meta tags, you can see maybe I already discuss about that, isn't it? So meta tag means what? The meta tags is provide a metadata about the HTML documents, right? Such as the description and the keywords. These are the often used by the search engine. Means what happened? These all meta tags where we are putting, the meta tag we are putting inside of the head tag. Okay, it's a logical tag. Means whatever we are adding inside of the meta tag, it will be not displaying in your web page. It is only for where it is only for we have in the Google Chrome search engine concept, right? Maybe I done already that. Okay, we have the search engine concept. And what happens? Suppose I want to make a education website. Okay, so what happened? I'm just writing over here education, or maybe I'm writing to the which topic I want to learn, right? Isn't it? Maybe right now I want to learn the HTML, so I'm putting over here HTML. Let's see which website is coming first. Which website is coming first? W3 school. Why? Because they are adding the proper keywords inside of that, then their website will be the come. Not only the keyword, when we are adding your website will be the come, we need to add a lot of different meta tags. So you can see I already discussed about we have the lot of different meta tags present. Okay, it's not like that two or three. It's not like the one only meta tag I have. We have the lot of different meta tags, isn't it? So I want to give you some example about the meta tag. Okay, now let me check my PPT. Okay, and I want the PPT. Which one is the HTML? Where is HTML? Okay. See, this PPT I'm using, you already know this PPT I'm using many times, right? So let's go to meta tag. You can see we have the different meta tag, isn't it? This is the meta character UTF-8. 8 means what? These meta tags are saying I am using a multiple character set. Like when you are writing to the keywords, we have the alphabets, we have to the special character, we have the exclamation mark, we have the numbering, we have the different characters, right? So that we are writing to the inside of that, that is called the meta character set UTF-8. Special characters we have sometime, so it is supported to the all type of meta character, getting? So like that. After that, what happened? After that, you can see the second meta tag is what? The description. Okay, description means what? For our website purpose, we can create a proper description. What is the purpose of your making to the website, isn't it? So what happened? People are searching something. There is a chances they can read your description and they can understand. Okay, this is the website is good for me. Getting? So second chance is also there. Third chance is what? The very important is the keywords. We can put a lot of keywords inside of your website. Like suppose I'm making to the HTML website. First HTML website purpose I'm making that. So what I want to put? HTML, isn't it? Suppose I am making to the website for the shopping purpose, right? So first, when I'm people are coming, what they are thinking, they are putting to the product name, right? So we can put to the different products in our content, right? Means in our keywords. So what happened? The peoples are searching on the internet the particular stuff. There is a chances our website should be the come first. Getting? Like that. After that, you can put to the author also, like if suppose you can search to the Elon Musk, right? So what happened? This SpaceX, Tesla, this kind of website will come, right? Why? Because the Elon Musk is the big personality. So if we are searching his name, also the kind of website means related to his website, that also the come, right? So this is the third chances, fourth chances, fifth chances is what? We can put to the height and width properly. So everything will be the set properly. And this is what? For the refreshment purpose. So that's why meta tag is really important. We can write, there are a lot of meta tag, not only that one. Okay. And this concept maybe I explained before also. You can check my previous video. Okay. So like that. Now let's go to the again back our tags. Now mercu. Okay, mercu means what? It's like you have the one text and that text are going right to left side. Okay, now see the mercu tags creates a scrolling text effect. Okay, means it's like a scrolling time. Okay, considering the absolute and a css or the javascript is the preferable for the animation, but to be honestly what they are saying, I you can for the animation purpose you can use the css and the javascript, but right now we don't know the css, we don't know the javascript, right? So we can use to the mercu. How we can do? Let me show you over here. Suppose I'm writing over here my name. Okay, suppose I'm using over here merq. Merq open, merq close. You can write the direction also and behavior also. I don't want to write anything right now, so I'm just erasing, going in middle between and writing over here my name, Rohit Kadam. That's it. Okay. Now what happened? Control S save. Now go back to again your website. Okay, go back to again your website and check it. What happened? Is it Mercu come? Check. Let me zoom in. See, getting? What happened? Is it checks? Is like when you are going to the news websites, right? News website, there is something letters are right to left is going on, isn't it? So you can also do that, right? Even for better purpose, what we can do, we can use over here ul for what purpose? Underline, right? Underline. Okay, ul. We need to write over here ul. Okay, ul for underline, right? ul, and again over here also the ul. Okay, now control S save. Okay, not ul. Is ul means unorderly, sorry, yeah, ul means unorderly, so we need to write the u only.